how to edit a published post in Buffer. So first, just go to the Send tab right here. And once you're there, just simply find the post that you want to edit out. So if you want to filter out your post right here, just simply navigate to the channels option right here on the top right. Then select the social channel that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to go with my Facebook page, just like that. And let's say I want to edit out this post. So you will need to go directly to the social media platform by clicking on the view post right here, so it can redirect you to your post. So just simply wait for it to load. So as you can see, it will automatically redirect you to the post that you want to edit out. So once you're here, you will need to manually edit the post. So for Facebook page, you will just simply need to click on the three dot icon, then click on manage post, and it will bring you to the Meta Business page to basically edit out your post. It's basically all the same for the other platforms. So let's say you want to edit out the post from LinkedIn, you will just simply need to click on view post also, then edit the post directly on LinkedIn. And that is how I basically edit a published post in Buffer.